With our Save menu, you can save your maps plus any drawings you add within Digimap for Schools and retrieve them next time. Let's open the Save Maps menu from the sidebar. To save a map, select the Save Map button, input a map title, class name and pupil name, and select Save. Note that if you've imported a file of locations using our Add Data menu, those locations and labels will also be saved with the map. To retrieve a map, just select any map from the list to open it in the map window. By default, maps are saved to the top level, meaning you can find them in this area I'm scrolling through here. You can choose a folder to save a map into instead. You could set up folders for different classes, projects, or schemes like the Duke of Edinburgh. To set up folders, you need the 4-digit PIN. Your main Digimap contact at your school will have this. If you can't find it, just get in touch and we'll provide it. So let's try setting up a folder. First select Unlock, input your PIN. To create a new folder, select the New button. Input a folder name and select OK. To rename a folder, select Rename. Input the new name and again select OK. To delete any map or folder, just use the trash bin next to it. To save within a particular folder, select the text Save Maps under the Save Map button to check for folders. Select the folder name, then select the Save Map button. Again, input your map title, class name, pupil name, and select Save.